La Tordera was born in the steep hills of Valdobbiadene, an area between the magical city of Venice and the mighty Dolomite Mountains. Valdobbiadene is the heart of Prosecco, and until recently, the only area where Prosecco was found. There is no denying that these hills are the home to the best Prosecco, and everything else is an imitation. For almost a century, the Vettoretti family has been devoted towards the hillside viticulture of the Valdobbiadene area. Their love for the vineyards and their fruits was installed by great-grandfather Beppi, who in the 1920s started caring for a vineyard on the Tordera hillock in Cartize. A vineyard that we still farm today and became the namesake of our winery. His teachings are the foundations that have allowed Gabriella, Renato, and Paolo, with guidance from their parents Pietro and Mirella, to found a company with the La Tordera name. Since 2003, La Tordera Prosecco has been a high-quality standard-bearer Prosecco in Valdobbiadene and beyond. Innovation and progress notwithstanding, we remain drawn to the earth and its traditions. We challenge ourselves daily to run our business in the greenest and most environmentally harmonious way possible, as a way to honor the legacies given to us by our forefathers and with respect towards the future generations. Our winery is green certified and generates its own renewable energy through the use of solar panels. Our farming is low impact and respectful of the earth's resources. The driving philosophy of our winery is natural balance. Natural balance to us means doing things by hand and respecting the rhythms of nature in the way we farm. Natural balance means harvesting by hand and respecting the local traditions of the harvest. Natural balance means reducing the use of sulfites to the bare minimum to make wines that are clean and fresh. Natural balance in the glass is a wine that respects the flavors of nature and the flavors of our natural and social history. Natural balance means showing how the hills of Valdobbiadene make the difference and highlighting the various lands we farm. La Tordera's goal is not to be the biggest. Our goal is to be authentic to what our family has always believed in, which is the land, the economy that the land creates, and the fruits of the land.